Ooh, what's this? What's up, everybody? Thomas here, and today we're going to be working on my car. It's a 1985 XR4Ti Merkur. I bought it, so I'm going to start working on it. As you can see, it's a little dirty inside, so today I'm going to start by cleaning it up and cleaning it out, and then after that, I'll get to be work. This is my new kind of project. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open the trunk to air the car out because it kind of smells in there right now. All right, we're back, guys. We finally got everything. Got the spoiler off. I've put it away inside. Well, anyways, let's just get these rest of these plastic pieces out of here. Put them over here. Hopefully they don't disintegrate, whatever those are. I think those are clips or something, but whatever. We'll fix them later. And we'll just sweep this off. There we go, nearly cleaned off. There we go. There we go, let's just get this swept off. There we go. Pretty freaking clean to me. Well, at least good enough anyways. For now, we'll wash it later or something. Next, we'll open the trunk, then we'll install those vice grips there to help hold it up because the hood shocks are broken. Yeah, it's got, we'll fix those too, don't worry. There we go. Up we go. Ah, well, it's holding right now. I don't trust those though. They were broken when I got it, so they should still be broken now. Let me just get over here. Hopefully it can survive this. Of course it can, no problem. There we go. Yeah, so what's left key to this is you put the vice grip, tighten them down. I don't know if anybody's seeing this, but you are. You make sure they go in like that. That way if it falls down anyways, most of the vice grips won't hit the car. Alrighty, next. Alright, so let me just take you guys on a quick tour of the inside of the car. This is the inside, the front here. As you can see, there's a bunch of dirt and stuff in there and kinds of random stuff. There's also a bunch of broken glass in the bottom there and some broken glass over here too. Anyways, we'll clean that up. And there's also those super ugly seat covers on the seat there too. That one. And then I already removed that one. Anyway, so yeah, so here's the trunk now. You can see the broken glass in the back there. We'll get rid of that. It's kind of dirty in here. We'll take the carpet out, take the spare tire, clean it up, clean it out, all that stuff. And then we'll get into the back seat and stuff as well. You can see my headliner's kind of falling down a bit. We'll fix that too. More broken glass over there. Yeah, there's windows. Most cars have windows. And yeah, so that's kind of my plan, is just kind of deep clean the whole car today. And then after I deep clean it, we will start working on it because it's nice to work on a clean car. Oh, we got whatever this is. Oh, this is. Not sure. Anyways, and yeah, so let's get right into it. So we'll start with the front here, and we'll start by starting to pick up some trash and stuff that's inside. Okay, so here we are. So we got some premium quality gloves in here. Gloves out here. We'll throw those out for now. We got this Think Safety thing. We'll throw that out for now. Here we got this Boss radio stuff. This thing has a Boss radio in it, so I'm going to assume this is the stuff for this radio. We're going to throw that in the keep pile over there, down over to the left side of the camera, according to me at least. Here, this is the part of the hood latch release. It's broken down here, so hopefully we can fix that. Put that on the left side as well. This is a plastic bag. That's garbage. Make sure it doesn't blow away. This is the fuel pump that I got for my car, so this is going to be required in order to fix it so that it starts and runs properly. Right now you have to spray gasoline into the intake to get it to start. So we'll put that on the keep side, obviously. A random rag, premium quality rag here. I think we'll throw it out. More garbage, we'll throw that out too. Pile it up here for now. Anyways, more garbage, pile it up. Garbage, garbage, garbage. We got 2 wheel spacers here, so I don't really know what they're for. Maybe they're for the car or something, but we'll put them in the keep pile because they're nice. In the center console here, there's a bunch of like little nuts and bolts and stuff here. I'll show you. In the center console here, we got a bunch of like bolts and stuff in here. So we'll toss those into the keep pile because I don't know what they're for. And there's probably not much point in just tossing them away randomly. If they end up being of use or something, at least we kept them. There we go. Alright, we got all the nuts and bolts out here. Alright, let's check the glove box. There's some stuff in there. Oh, of course there's some stuff in there. What do we got here? Looks like a Boss case thing. I think that's garbage. What is this? Pulley, piece of the pulley. We'll keep those for now, just in case. Not sure what it's for. And these are some plastic bits from the, I guess they're part of the side lights or something, or some sort of decorative light feature for the inside of the vehicle. Keep that for now, just in case. And, all right, the glove box just has minor garbage in it now. Sweet. Next is the passenger side. It looks like we got some nuts and bolts and got the screw, put that into the keep pile for now. A couple of green coins in here. Let's see, how much are they worth? 2 pennies, a nickel, 3 pennies, 3 pennies, a nickel, and a quarter. We'll put that in the keep pile. You never know when 2 pennies, a nickel, and a quarter will be useful. What else have we got in here? Oh, look, another penny. Oh, and another one, too. 2 more pennies, guys. We made a total of 5 cents off this one, and a quarter and a nickel. That's pretty good. So 35 cents. That's pretty sweet. Mostly just garbage. Some wires for the aux. We'll unplug that for now since we don't really need it in here while we're cleaning. Oh yeah, we'll rip these seat covers off. They are just disgusting. There we go. Get rid of that one. It's going in the garbage pile. Yeah, we'll rip it off and we'll keep going here. Check more garbage. All right, I'm gonna just go over to the other side. Alrighty, so we're on the other side of the seat here. Let's get rid of this seat cover. That's a little damaged. Oh well, we'll fix that. More clips, and it might be useful. Yeah, wherever that one went, it's gone now. We'll put it in there for now. This will come off, hopefully. Okay, thank you. There we go, that's one less seat cover. We'll just toss these out. Yeet. Alrighty, seat cover's off. I had to take the headrest off. I'll put that back on. All right, let's see if this chair adjusts. It does. That's premium quality right there. This got, oh, sheesh. I didn't realize I had that. Oh, look, another penny. Let's go. What's next? I guess the rest of this seat cover can come off. There we go. This headrest is off. Now it's back on. Sweet. And the whole thing is off. Yeet. Gone now. Ooh, look what I found. Found a Ford center cap, guys. Let's go. We'll put that in the keep pile for sure. Close up this box for now. Take the rear seat cover off now too. If you like the seat cover, comment down below. If you don't like the seat cover, like the video. What is this? Oh, this is the... Yeah, where is there any drinks in the drink holder? Oh, the armrest, kind of rusty. We might have to fix that. Anyways, what else have we got back here? We got this. Doesn't seem particularly useful. Are these windows open? Yep, they do now. All right, let me open up the other window. And I think what I might do is I might remove the front seats here. And the reason I'm gonna do that is because they'll be out of my way then. And then I can get in here, I can deep clean the seat, and then I can deep clean the part underneath them because, you know, who knows what's underneath them. And I'll get the whole thing. So yeah, so the next strategy, plan, or idea is to remove the front seat. So that's my next. So let me see if I can identify where they are mounted. More garbage, let's go. It mounts down over here. Ooh, what's this? Guys, check out what I just found. New Mexico tech bag. Let's see what's inside. The zipper's a little corroded. Let's see if it opens. Yes, it does. It does open. Oh, it's like a tool set. Cool. Look at this hammer. That's cool. It's like a multi-tool hammer thing. Anyways, just a bunch of tools and stuff. We'll put that in a keep pile. We can fix it up. Sweet. Next up. Anything in the seat backs? Oh, what's this? Pixie sticks. Unopened, guys. You want it? When's it from? 2016. I hope you're not hungry. Alrighty, so yeah, so I'm gonna pull out those 2 bolts that are holding this one side of the seat in for now. That's gonna be a pretty small size. Let's see. No, bigger than that. Not quite. Okay, bigger than that. That's too big. Must be this size. Maybe not, maybe it's metric. Okay, all right, so here we are. I'm gonna give you a zoom in on where the seats are. There's 1 bolt there, there's 1 bolt on the front, and there's probably similar on the other side over here somewhere. So we're gonna get that out, remove that seat, and yeah, here, I'll be back in 1 second. All right, everybody, we're back. We're ready to remove the seats. I got my stuff ready to go, so it's a 10 mil on these bolts right here, so I'll just pull them out. There we go. Got this one loosened, and out. That goes up there for now. We get the front one. front bolts out. There's 2. Now where is the rest of it? Ooh, I think that's it down there. Yeah, so sitting in the back here now. They're working on getting them out. Let's get this. We will get these out. Just stabbed myself with a piece of glass. Whoops. I am not knowing. Alright guys, figured it out. So take the 2 bolts out there and then you move the seat all the way forward. There's 2 bolts underneath the cover. So this is the cover. Oops. There's a bolt for it. Let's pull out those 2 bolts. I hope that's basically all of it. Ready? 1, 2. Of course, there's going to be connectors on this thing. It's got heated seats. We're going to have to take those off. And hopefully that is almost all of it. Alright, still the front ones to come off, so I just make sure I know how to get those out. Okay, so here we go. We're going to pull the rest of the seat out now. So I'm going to just pull it all the way back. Seat's back. So it's under there. We pulled some extra money out with these pliers that hopefully can get in there. And hopefully I'll be able to remove the thing after I get the stuck stuff out of it. Oh, nice. A couple of coins. A nickel and a dime. 1 bolt. We'll go with the rest of the bolt. And as you can see, 1 seat. Find these wires and disconnect before we get any further. There's the 2 connectors for the heated seats and seat belt. Now I can fix the hole, deep clean it, and everything. Anyways, there we go. 1 seat removed. Yes, you can see lots and lots of dirt. Still hungry, guys. We got some Icebreakers Cool Blast Peppermint Chews unopened. Add those to the garbage pile. All right, next step is to remove the other seat. So let's get right on it. Here we are on the other side. Start by pulling these 2 front bolts out. Not quite so many coins and stuff buried underneath here. All right, 2 front bolts. Needs a little bit of a pry or something. There we go. Anyways, that's cover number 2. All right, put that on top, and then I guess we'll move this. Perfect. It is now removed. So now there's 2 less seats in here. Should be a bit easier now to get the back seat and stuff done. So I think we will